गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. तुम्हा सर्वांना माहीत आहे, तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे चित्र बघितलेले आहेत, वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे प्राणी बघितलेले आहेत. काही प्राणी तुम्ही जंगलामध्ये बघितलेले असतील, तर काही प्राणी तुम्ही गावामध्ये बघितलेले असतील. तुम्हाला सर्वांना माहीत आहे वाईल्ड ॲनिमल आणि पेट ॲनिमल. म्हणजे वाईल्ड ॲनिमल तुम्ही कोणते आहेत आणि पेट ॲनिमल कोणते आहेत. वी नो दॅट वाईल्ड ॲनिमल मीन्स जे प्राणी जंगलामध्ये राहतात त्याला आपण वाईल्ड ॲनिमल म्हणत असतो, आणि जे प्राणी गावामध्ये राहत असतात त्याला आपण पेट ॲनिमल म्हणत असतो. वी नो हिअर किंग मीन्स lion, tiger, elephant, wolf. These are the wild animals. Cow, buffalo, these are the pet animals. We are discussing here wild animals. That name was a lion. Which lion? That is a king choice. That one animal, its name was a lion. Another animal is a leopard. Another animal is a tiger and vulture. These are the wild animals. These wild animals are always living in the forest, and they are doing the other activities for the king. King is here lion. They are always doing the different type of activities for only king. That name was a lion. And here we are discussing here king choice. This is our lesson's name, king choice. Listen, first paragraph. There was once a lion who was a king of the forest. He was a big and strong and very fierce. All the other animals in the forest called him king. They brought him gifts from every corner of the forest, but the more the lion had, the more he wanted. A king must have a court, he said to himself one day. He called a fox to him side. You are known to be a wise and clever creature, fox, said the lion. I want you to be my advisor. We are discussing here. There was once a lion who was a king. Who was the king of the forest? A lion was the king of the forest. He was a big and strong and fierce. He was a big, strong and fierce. Fierce means here dangerous. Fierce, its meaning is a dangerous. Means it is a qualities of big, strong and fierce. This lion was a big, strong and fierce. It is a very dangerous. All the other animals in the forest called him king. Other animals means, for example, wolf, elephant, leopard, vultures, and any other animals they are living in the forest. These animals always call him king. They brought him gifts from every corner of the forest. They always bring some things, some gifts, some foods, each and every corners from the forest to the king. But more the lion had, the more he wanted. He said that every time means there are the different type of wild animals, different type of foods are there. They are collecting from the each corner, and they are providing these foods and protection to king. म्हणजे वेगवेगळे प्राणी असल्यामुळे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचं अन्न यायचं, आणि वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचं अन्न असल्यामुळे ते जास्तीत जास्त अन्न हे सगळ्यांना राजाला द्यायचं. अ किंग मस्ट हॅव अ कोर्ट. वन डे ही हॅड डिसाइड दॅट वी मस्ट हॅव अ कोर्ट. He said to himself one day. Who said to himself one day? A lion said to himself. One day he was thinking, and he decided that a king must have a court. We must have a court. He called a fox to his side. You are known to be a wise and clever creature, fox. One day he called the fox. Fox is an advisor. Fox is a clever animal. He was a very clever and intelligent animal. Therefore, he called the fox. I want to be my advisor. He decided that we want to make an advisor. Whose advisor? King's advisor. Means lion's advisor. Then this fox said that. Who said that? This fox said that, thank you, your majesty, said the fox. This fox said that, thank you so very much. Bowing low, the lion next called a leopard to his side. The next time he called the leopard. Who called the leopard? A lion called the leopard to his side. You are known to be a watchful and swift and foot leopard. I want to be my bodyguard. He said that you are known to be a watchful. Watchful means very chopper and swift, wagwan, fast of foot. Leopard, I want to be my bodyguard. Bodyguard means angarakshak, rakshak. Listen, he said that you are known to be a watchful and swift foot leopard. I want you to be my bodyguard. Means this leopard was a watchful and swift and very faster. Therefore, I decide that we are making a bodyguard. Thank you, Your Majesty, said the leopard bowing low. He said that, thank you so very much. The lion called a vulture to his side. The lion called the vulture to his side. The next time he called the vulture. Vulture means gizzard. The lion called the vulture to his side. You are a bird, vulture, and can fly high. You are to be my messenger. He said that you are a bird. You are always flying in high in the sky. You are always flying high in the sky. Therefore, you are always flying very fast. You are always flying very high, and you are searching any other things in the forest. Therefore, I will decide to be my messenger. You will become a messenger of me. Thank you, Your Majesty, said vulture. This vulture also said that, thank you so very much. Then bowing low, the fox, leopard and vulture took an oath of loyalty to the king. These three persons take an oath of loyalty. त्यांनी प्रामाणिकपणे शपथ घेतलेली होती. Who's these three animals? Means fox, leopard and vulture. Fox, leopard and vulture. These three animals had taken an oath of loyalty, and they always provided food and protection to king each and every day at the corner of this forest. Means in this way we have to discuss the first and second paragraph. Its meaning is that there was a once lion who was living in the forest. He had decided in one day, we must have a court. We must have a court. Therefore, he called the three animals. First he called the fox, then he decided that you are my messenger. Then he called the leopard. Then this leopard was a bodyguard. Then he called the fox. Fox is an advisor. Fox is an advisor. At the first time, fox is an advisor. Second, the leopard is a bodyguard, and third, vulture is an messenger. Means these three animals become a courtier of these animals. The courtiers of these animals. We discussed for some time. All went in the court of lion king. The three courtiers never opposed the king. His wishes were law. Whenever he rode, they stood in awe. Whenever he took a walk, they followed him. We listen first. There are the three courtiers. Means three courtiers, which are they? Fox, leopard and vulture. These three courtiers had taken an oath of loyalty to give the protection of food. The next, for some times, after some times, all went in the court of lion king. The three courtiers never opposed. These three courtiers never opposed to king's wishes or to king's choice. His wishes were law. His wishes are law. Means each and every time these king's wishes are लॉ. म्हणजे प्रत्येक वेळेस त्या राजाचे जे सगळे जे ऑर्डर्स होते ते कायद्यामध्ये रूपांतर होऊन ते सगळे ऑर्डर त्यांना फॉलो करावं लागत होतं. व्हेनेवर ही रोड, जेव्हा जेव्हा तो रोड आवाज करायचा की गर्जना करायची, They stood in awe. They stood in awe. Whenever he took a walk, they followed him. जेव्हा जेव्हा तो समोर समोर जायचा तेव्हा तेव्हा सगळे त्याचे अनुकर करायचे. ते सगळे प्राणी त्याच्या मागे जायचे. When the Lion King went hunting, when the Lion King, when the Lion King went hunting, the found animals for him to kill. When they are hunting to any other animals, that time they are found this any other animals in the forest. They are always hunting to different type of animals. And after he had his meal, he left the remains for them. Means at the first time he was eating. Who was eating first time? The Lion King was eating first time. After that, remaining animals, these remaining food had given to the other animals, means courtiers. So they always had enough to eat. One day the vulture came back from a flight. Your Majesty, have you ever eaten a camel? One day this messenger, means vulture, he was flying in the sky. That time he had found one camel, and when he observed the one camel, that time he suggests some information to Lion. He said that to king, have you find a camel, or have you seen a camel in the forest? That time this lion said that I have never seen a camel in the forest. He asked, it is a very tasty. I ate it once in the desert. This vulture said that I observed one camel. It is a very, very tasty, and this is a very sweet animals, and I had ate once in a time in the forest or a desert. The lion had never seen a camel, but he liked the idea of trying camel's meat. The lion had never seen a camel. This lion never seen a camel in the forest or desert, but he liked the idea of trying camel's meat. But who liked this idea? Lion had liked this idea of trying to camel's meat. But where can we get a camel? This lion asked, where we get a camel? There is a desert some miles away, said the vulture. I was flying over it when I saw a lion camel not far away. It looked big and far. This vulture said that from some distance there is one desert, and this desert is a very big desert. This desert is a very big desert. In the desert there is one camel. In the desert there is one camel, and this camel is a very big and fat camel. This camel is a very big and fat camel, and only one camel is there. In the desert there is only one camel, and this camel is a very big and fat camel. This camel's meat is a very sweet. This camel's meat is a very tasty, and therefore I like to eat. And therefore these three courtiers and lion, they decide that we want to go to forest or desert to catch this camel. Another part we are discussing in the next session. Thank you so very much.